Hello, welcome back to my basement, or the puppet shop as I like to call it. I'm John Ellingson, and this is How Do You Do? How do you do? Feeling good today? We have made some puppets down here. I've shown you some balloon animals, if you caught that video. I'll be making many more balloon animals because I know how to make a lot of balloons. Another special thing that I like to do is magic. It's one of my favorite things. If you didn't catch the first balloon episode, before I started acting at the Children's Theater, I was a clown for a very long time. And I did birthday parties and balloon animals and magic shows. And I still get to do magic sometimes at the Children's Theater. But I would like to share with you some of the magic tricks from my clown trunk. This is one of my favorites. I don't know if you can see that. Do you know what this is? This is a thimble. It's for sewing, though I don't use it for sewing. This is the very first magic trick that I ever learned to do. I had a clown teacher. His name was Rusty Nails. He was pretty awesome. Grown-ups or teenagers or maybe kids, if you watch The Simpsons, he's who Krusty the Clown was based on. Though my clown teacher was nothing like Krusty. That was the joke. But he taught me how to be a clown. I started when I was 8. He came over for dinner and taught me how to make a red balloon dog and taught me this magic trick. This is how it goes. And then I'll show you how it's done. So this is a thimble on my finger, and I'm going to need your help. I'm going to hold this thimble and put it in my hand, and we're going to count to 3 and blow like we're blowing out a candle. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Where did it go? Where could it... Oh. Oh. Ow. Oh. Ow. It was in my ear. How did that happen? Let's do it again. You ready? It's on my fingertip here. Ready? I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Where did it go? Where could it be? Oh, I think I found it. Kit Kat, you gotta let go. You gotta let go. Hold on, give it to me. Oh, it was in Kit Kat's mouth. How did that happen? How did you do that? Do you want to know how I did that? This was my first sleight of hand trick I learned. So this is how it goes. It's easiest to see this if I turn around. Hello. So I show the audience that I have a thimble on my finger. And what I had to practice for a very long time is when I go to grab the thimble, I don't really grab it. I put it in the palm of my hand. So now the thimble's in here. And then after this, I try to distract you for a little bit. I ask for the audience's help. And then I find it somewhere. That is the thimble trick. So if you'd like to learn that trick, what you need to practice is grabbing the thimble and making it look as if you're grabbing it with this hand.